Hi and welcome back to the van build. In today's episode we're going to be fitting these B-trim panels, but it's the full wraparound one. So that's the top piece and this is the bottom bit. So we're going to be doing both sides. Hi, my name's Jason, this is my daughter Noah, and together we're going to transform this VW Crafter into the ultimate camper van. Like, subscribe and follow us on our journey. So these are the original ones, and that's where the bulkhead would actually screw up to, but on their ones they're up all the way around, so much better finish. I know a lot of guys will put the trim on it to finish it, but I just think this is a lot more professional, it looks a lot tidier. So let's get started by taking this one off and get that one on. So let's take this first clip out here. It out. This will be a T25. So that's trim tool, and it's just a case of putting it behind the bit of plastic. So this one's out. So now we'll take this piece out here, because we'll remove the seat belt. So this is an M10 to do this one. Flatten this first, take it out. Right, this side here, you've got 3 clips on this side. So first one, that's that one. Right, second one. That's it there. Oh. That's it out. So that's that out. I'll remove this one next. That's that one. That's that one. So that's all removed now. So we'll just feed the seatbelt up here. So that is the 2 panels off. So we'll just give this a clean up now. Just a wee clean, just to get rid of some of this dip. to attach this one first before we actually fit this. Because of the double seat being in place, this needs to be in here. Now, try and see if we could get this in. So that's that. What we'll do now is get the seat belt. Bolt it in. Screw this up on tight. If these seats weren't there, it would be so much easier. Right, that's that done. Right, now just to get all the clips in. Just try to get this clip in here. That's it. That's the ones in. Right, now to get this side here done. So that's that. Just tighten up the seat belt. That's that done. So that, I guess, I'll let you see. See, this bit here's finished like that, so I guess we'll have to take this. There must be a new door seal rubber you could put on, so it's the same finish as this side. Because this just sits on, this should go in to a bit in the door seal, and it's not got it, so I guess I'll get a look into that, get a new door seal. But that's okay for now. I'll just put the covers across this one here and that one up there, you get new ones. That's that. So I'll put a new clip on this. It's a new clip on there. So that's the two of them fitted. There's on that side. And just like to see it on here. And on the driver's side, so this is the only problem you've got. I need to get a new door rubber just because it doesn't sit into anything. I need to get one of those ordered. So that's another job ticked off the list. As usual, I'll leave a link in the description for the parts that I've used. If you've enjoyed this video, why not hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.